guys, do you like the bohemian style? Then I got you covered. Today we're going to be making a mirror that was inspired from Pinterest. I saw these bamboo rattan raffia sort of mirrors popping up all over Pinterest and I wanted to recreate one. I think they're beautiful and nice and I can't wait to show you guys. So if you're looking forward for this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs on a low budget, and yeah, let's dive right in. For this you will need 5 inches round mirror, raffia cord, 60 ml wooden dowel cut in size, a pair of wire cutters, glue gun, glue sticks, a ruler, a pen and a sandpaper. Alright, start by marking your dowel at 4 inches mark and cut the first piece at this point. Then use that piece to have it as a guide to cut the rest of them. You will need 16 pieces of 4 inches in length and another 16 pieces of 3.5 inches. Now you see that my edges were a little bit rough, so I wrapped both sides on a sandpaper to smooth them out. Then I marked the back of the mirror a little bit above 1/2 inch and draw a circle. Honestly, I think it is helpful that way, guys, because you can use it as a guideline to glue the dowels. Next, hot glue your 4 inches dowels at 12 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 9 o'clock and at 3 o'clock, and then another 4 dowels between them and another 8 dowels between the last ones. I hope it makes sense, guys. Lastly, hot glue your 16 shorter dowels to fill the gaps between the longer ones. And now all you have to do is to grab your raffia cord and pour a little bit of hot glue to secure the end, and then weave it in and out every other dowel. I used the container underneath my mirror for that purpose. When you're done with it and you're happy with how it turned out, glue the hanger. I just used the raffia cord that I looped it and hot glued it at the back of my mirror. Keep in mind that it is so lightweight, so you will be okay with that. Well guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. I hope you enjoyed this DIY as well. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like it. Would you put it as a decor piece around your home? I love you guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Have a nice day.